Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to see all saved passwords on iPhone. On mobile, firstly open the Settings app and then go to General Management. Tap Passwords and Autofills and choose your preferred password manager, either Google or Samsung Pass. You'll see a list of saved passwords. Just tap on the account or website name to view the saved password. You may need to verify your identity via fingerprint or PIN. Or you can open the Google Chrome app, tap the three dots in the top right corner, then select Settings. Tap Passwords and scroll to find all your saved passwords. You can tap on an entry to view details you may need to authenticate, of course. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.